Welcome guests, welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you Drunken Noodles. You've been asking me for creating this recipe for I don't know how long, long enough. I know you guys have been waiting on this recipe, so let's get started. So first, we are gonna marinate our protein. So for this recipe, you just need 8 ounces of any protein that you prefer. You can have a tofu if you want to make this vegetarian. You can have beef, pork, shrimp, whatever you want. Chicken, oh yeah, go ahead and do so. So 8 ounces of whatever protein, 1 type or 2 types like myself, just mix it together. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Fish sauce or oyster sauce, the sauces we are using that is not vegetarian, go ahead and use more soy sauce, that will do, or vegetarian fish sauce or vegetarian oyster sauce, those works. A little white pepper. You can use black pepper too. A little pinch. And 1 clove of garlic. I'm just going to grate. What do you call it? Grate them. Grate. And just mix them together. And we are just going to marinate them not too long, just while we are preparing other ingredients. Set aside and let's mix up the sauce. Sauce, very important for drunken noodles. It needs to be savory, it needs to be a little sweet, a lot of those packed of flavor getting in. So the first thing we're going to start is oyster sauce. So you will need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Oh, and a lot of you guys ask me where I got this cute, measuring cups and measuring spoons. I got this from Anthropology. We will need a tablespoon of fish sauce. Again, if you want to make this vegetarian version, go ahead and use vegetarian oyster sauce and vegetarian fish sauce, or more soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I like to use Thai light soy sauce when I'm making actually Thai food, and Thai fish sauce instead of a Vietnamese fish sauce, because Thai fish sauce is a little more funkier and more saltier, and light soy sauce is just, I don't know, it's just really delicious. So I like using it. 1 tablespoon. Clean up. And for nice dark color, we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. If you do not have dark soy sauce, you can definitely just skip this part. It's just really for the color. And then 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. And a lot of you guys ask me, like, Seonkyoung, how your palm sugar is just like nice and soft? Because when I buy palm sugar jar like this, I soak them in water. So I just pour water and just let it sit for like a week or 2 weeks. So I always have this like this. So they are a lot softer, so I can scoop it out, you know what I mean? If you don't have palm sugar, go ahead and use maple syrup or honey, that will work too. A little pinch of white pepper again. Mix all together. And everything is mixed. Set aside, and now I'm going to chop 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. Yes, a lot of garlic is a key point for drunken noodles. You have to have a lot of garlic for drunken noodles. If you want to make drunken noodles delicious, you have a lot of garlic. Did I mention you need a lot of garlic for drunken noodles? Okay, I'll stop it. I just smashed 8 large cloves of garlic, and I'm gonna smash 4 Thai chilies. So Thai chili is totally up to you. You can use only 1 or none if you don't want to make this spicy, or you can use 10, 15 if you are, if you wanted to kill yourself, or to kill somebody else that you're gonna serve, then you can do that too, but don't do that, it's not nice. So instead of using mortar and pestle, just gonna smash down like this. So the chili oils will come out without, I have to dirty out another tool in the kitchen. So this works for me. And just chop it away. Now I'm going to slice 1 shallot. Set aside with the garlic and chili too, because they are going into the pan all the same time. Okay, Now I'm gonna slice one just regular large red chili to add on later. So this one is really not super spicy, but it will give a little more volume and the color to the dish. So this is optional. If you cannot find the red chili, go ahead and use the red bell pepper. That will work too. And then for the vegetables, so you can use any leafy green vegetables like yu choi, bok choy, or like, like a zucchini or any others. But I have some Chinese broccoli left, so this is what I'm gonna use. You will need 4 to 6 ounces of vegetables. That's how much vegetable you like in your, drunken noodles. Time for the basil. So traditionally in Thai, they use a holy basil. Again, the same thing as the Thai basil fried rice recipe that I just shared right here. But if you don't have it, use regular basil or Thai basil. It works just fine. You will need a handful of Thai basil or add more if you love basil. Jacob and I, we love basil in our food, so we always add a little extra, because we always fight for that little basil bite at the end. All right, this Thai basil is good to go. Now let's talk about the noodles. So for drunken noodles, I love using fresh rice noodle sheet, then cut into little more wider pieces. It's just so delicious. But if you cannot find it like this, you can find the dried one actually in a Vietnamese brand. They have this rice sheet, that dried one like this, like a little, about like smaller than your palm size, about half of your palm size of the rice sheet like this. You can find this. Cannot find none of this? Go ahead and use regular rice noodles you can find at the regular grocery store and soak them in like hot water for a few minutes and then stir fry. Okay? Because my recipe is based on using fresh noodles. So if you're using dried one, prepare that by soaking in the hot water for a few minutes. So this is 1.5 pounds of noodles. We will need 1 pound of it. By the way, guys, support noodles. This is a black on black noodle t-shirts. It's one of my favorite. I'm wearing medium size, but this one I haven't washed it yet, but it will definitely shrink with like all the t-shirts do. The yellow one that I was wearing on this ramen noodle, not ramen noodles, what was that? The pork rib noodle soup, that was a small size, and this is medium size, so you kind of get it, the idea of it. So if you like a little, room in your t-shirts, you definitely want to go to little like one up size than what you normally wear. I'm going to cut them like a really large pieces. You can even like rip it up with your fingertips too. You don't have to like cut it. And it doesn't have to be same size either. And then just separate them, one by one. And by the way, when you're doing Korean barbecue, definitely have this like about like this size. When you make some, instead of rice, just this, oh my God, so good. Okay, all my ingredients are ready to go. My noodles, my protein, basil, vegetable, the aromatic vegetable, and the sauces are mixed. This is time to heat up your wok. My new wok, by the way, I got. I will use for like a week or two, and I will let you know if this is worth of the purchasing, okay? Because I'm actually trying different, like 3 different woks right now, and I'm gonna recommend you the best one. So heat your wok until it smokes like this. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. And then add all the shallot, garlic, and chili. Woo, when you can smell the aroma, go ahead and add the protein. So we are gonna cook the protein until they are nice and golden brown edges. Okay, this looks really good. Now I'm going to drop my Chinese broccoli or whatever vegetable you're using. Cook the vegetable about 1 to 2 minutes or until you're doneness that you like. And then time for the noodles. And the sauce, all the sauce we made earlier. Just pour it everything. Smells fantastic. Just keep stirring until the noodles are absorb all the sauces. It looks so good. Even though it makes me cough like this. Oh, I'm sorry for my dogs. I think they are pretty much done cooking. Now this is time to add the red chili and the Thai basil. Turn off the heat. We're done.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side.
How about you work out and do that?
Wow, you're right.
Ready?
I'm ready to breathe again.
The air is more spicier than actually the food, though. Oh, I'm so sorry for my dogs. They were coughing too.
They were coughing too. Ooh.
짠.
짠.
Isn't it the best drunken noodles ever?
Does that mean we should be drinking something? Or you eat them after you were drinking the night before?
I don't know. Is it before drunken or after drunken? I'm not sure.
I have a
Or while drunken?
both. Woo, it's so spicy. Oh, there it is.
Get some lime.
Yes.
Usually you can find the fresh noodles in Vietnamese stores. Usually because rice noodles is like their life.
The lime on it is delicious.
Yeah? I love pork, I love beef, I love shrimp, I love everything. Sometimes I just get tofu too, but...
Like our black on black matching noodle shirt.
Coffee shirt. You know, Thai, they don't use chopsticks.
We use pork.
Oh, by the way, the reason I decided to do the pork and shrimp together, because when I asked on Instagram, if you're not following on Instagram, come on, join the club. You know why I keep saying join the club? Because your opinion matters to me when I'm creating videos like this and the recipes. Every time I ask like the pictures, which angle is better for you, 1 or 2 or 1 or 1, 2 or 3. You guys choose, and like the gets the highest vote gets the become a thumbnail or the main picture for the recipe. And even for these drunken noodles, I asked either beef or shrimp. I know I didn't ask pork belly, but beef or shrimp. So many of you guys both, and I had pork belly already in the house and the shrimp. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna mix pork and shrimp. I should have done beef and shrimp, but
that pork is really good though. And pork and shrimp are like such like best friends too.
it's like us. I'm pork, I'm the pig, you're shrimp.
I'm the shrimp, you're the shrimp. Because you're smaller and shorter. You got a small shrimp.
And I love ocean too anyway.
You calling me a pig?
You said that you will do the pig.
I'm the shrimp.
Okay, I'm the pig. Why are you being so close to my... Give me some room. You know what I just thought? A Lion King? The hyena?
What you doing?
Guys, if you liked my drunken noodles, the best drunken noodles, please give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longas, Jacob Longas, or the hyena, and this is Asian at Home. And we will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
And don't forget to take a picture if you cook my recipes, and tag me Seonkyoung Longas on Instagram, Facebook, so I can shout you out back, and like and comment on your picture. Love you guys.
Ooh, it's so good.
Taking, baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense, but you remembered.